How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands and forearms, a step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram at Dillenberg999. First exercise we're going to do is extensions. This is great for getting veiny hands. That's 10, keep going, 11, 12, 20, keep going, 21, 22, 30, keep going, 31, 32, 40. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, that was for our hands. We're gonna do forearm next. We're gonna do a hammer curl. And again, literally one of the best exercises. You can literally see all the definition of my forearm from doing this exercise. You can see it working up here. You can see this working too. Great exercise for the forearms. Perfect, quick little break. Next exercise is going to be a curl. Thirty, keep going. It's 50, keep going. $75. Perfect, quick little break. Then we're going to end it with a forearm curl. Perfect, that's 40 reps. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.